Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the Suncor Quick Attach Wedge Kit.
So we're releasing the Suncor Quick Connect, and this is the end that has a compression washer in it. Of course, it's not coming out, which is kind of normal. I'm going to wrap the bottom of the cable with a rag, and then I'm going to take my vice grips. Hopefully this won't damage the wire. And I'm going to go up as close to the tool, but leave a little bit of a gap because we have to pound this down. So you can see I have about a 1/4 inch gap. Okay, so now I'm going to take a socket that fits on here nicely that doesn't roll off, and I'm going to take a hammer because you got to get this wedge out of here, and I'm going to hit this. And you see the wires getting ready to come out. I might have to put this on a more solid surface. Oh, I think it's loose already, so this may have worked. Let's see. Yes. So here is my wedge and my O-ring, and you do need to replace this with a new wedge that's available from Sailrite. It'll come with a compression washer and also this rubber washer. So we got it off. So we're going to slide the cone onto our wire. Then we're going to take our brand new jaws and slide it on so that it goes inside of this, and we want that to be close to the end of the cable. We're going to slide on our pressure washer like that, and these should be evenly spaced. If I look around, yeah, the space between each one of these three wedges is evenly spaced. Then I can slide this into here. Then we can slide this on and start turning this until we want to hold everything in place until we get this all the way up. Make sure these are loosened all the way. Now everything's starting to turn, so I'm going to have to kind of hold everything. I'm holding the cable too with the back of my hand because we got to have that start locking onto the cable. Now it's starting to get firm. So now we're going to lock this down with 2 wrenches. Nice and hard. Let's make sure it's on there good. And that locks that wedge well. That should be good. I'm gonna do it one more time. Yes! Once that's done, then we can lock this down securely. And I'm probably gonna need a different size wrench. I'll just use a adjustable wrench for this. So that's the lock nut. There we go. She's installed. So now we're going to tighten our turnbuckle. May have to release the nuts until we get the wire nice and taut. And we still have not adjusted that stanchion yet, so we have to do that too. But using the Suncor system like this, you can see that we can actually remove things. They're not swedged in place permanently. And that's looking good. Cool.
And here's a look at our Suncor Quick Attach Wedge Kit now that it's installed. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or email. We're glad to help.